Please.
Please? Please?
Please what?
Can you make me food?
You're silly.
I love you.
I love you too.
Now get in the kitchen.
Shut up. No, that's not the right way.
How are you holding the phone without a pan?
Shut up. You better beg right or else.
Please.
Please what?
I'm starving. I'm dying.
So you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for?
I'm sorry for making woman jokes.
You're horrible. Okay, I'll
now
make
get
you
in
food.
the kitchen.
Shut up.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I'll make you food.